Welcome to the VIN History series. In this particular video, we're going to cover why ownership history matters. Did you know that the number of previous owners can tell you a lot about a vehicle? And guess what? A vehicle with one long-term owner is often a very good sign. It may mean the vehicle was cared for properly and maintained consistently over time. But a car with many owners in a short period can sometimes be a warning sign. Some people sell vehicles quickly because expensive problems begin to appear. A VIN history report may also show whether the vehicle was used as a rental, commercial vehicle, or a fleet car. And vehicles used commercially are often driven much harder than personal vehicles. Ownership history helps you understand how the vehicle may have been treated over time, because knowing a vehicle's past owners can help you avoid expensive surprises later. Thank you for watching, and remember, for VIN History Reports, check out Carfax.com or CarValueScout.com.